Sonny's is committed to efficiently serving our customers, and significant investments in our Savage, Minnesota facility have greatly improved our ability to innovate and deliver. We've expanded our square footage and added water treatment equipment and bullseye container production to this high-performing facility. Increased staffing helps meet production demands and improve lead times to ensure you have the equipment you need when you need it. We've also invested in cutting-edge technology to enhance our operations. Robotics, CNC machines, work cell improvements, and lab investments make us an even more efficient and innovative industry leader. Speaking of innovation, our engineering team continually develops new products and improves existing ones to keep Sonny's at the forefront of the car wash industry. More space, more talent, more equipment, and more efficiency. Our expansion and improvements in Savage, Minnesota are yet another example of Sonny's commitment to our customers and our promise to make car washing easy.